Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with the First Descendant. You got the error. DirectX 12 is not supported on your system. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to remove the DX12 or D3D12 command line argument. If you have set the game to launch with these arguments, you just need to remove them to force the game to use an older version of DirectX. To do this, if you are using Steam, then you just need to open up Steam, go to library and right click on the game and select properties. And now you just need to backspace the launch options and just to close stuff here, and after that you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution consists of 4 steps. The first step is to update your graphics card. To do this, for NVIDIA users, you just need to open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just to close stuff here. The second step is to use launch options to force DirectX 11. You can set the game to use DirectX 11 by adding a launch option. To do this, for Steam users, open up Steam, go to library, right click on the game and select properties. Now you just need to check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Just copy and paste it and click on the outside and just to close stuff here. The third step is to reinstall DirectX. Download and install the latest version of DirectX from the official Microsoft website. Sometimes files can become corrupted and need to be reinstalled. To do this, you just need to open up Chrome and search for DirectX download. Comes up Microsoft official site, click on it and open it, and you just need to select the language over here, and after that select the download option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to click on it and install it. After the installation done, let's move on to the fourth and final step. The fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type graphics settings, click on open it, select browse, and you just need to go to this PC, local disk C, program files x86 folder, find the Steam folder, find Steam apps folder, common folder, the First Descendant folder, select the First Descendant.exe game file and select add. After adding the game file, the game will be listed over here. You just need to select the options and select high performance and select save. After that, the game will be set to high performance. Now you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.